mga katigangers. Tapos kami sa Malantang kumain. Kailangan ng drinks. Kaya pumunta kami dito sa 85 degrees. Kasi gusto nila araw-araw yun, umiinom dito sa Okay, kaya punta tayo sa loob na. At mag-order na tayo sa kiosk. Dito tayo sa loob na. Ayan, nauna na yung anak ko. Let's go to the kiosk na ko. My favorite. Lagi.
Come on, Mom.
Lagi. Ito sa akin. Frozen taro. Okay.
Kanya yun?
Yeah. Sika. Tika mo. Parang masarap yung, ito yung inaano niya.
Strawberry banana smoothie.
Ito mango smoothies.
What do you want?
What do you want?
Let's see. Here, excuse me, Dad. Like, do you want any of these sea salt series, Mom, or
Okay, hold on.
I'll let you think for yourself?
I'm
Okay.
thinking.
Matagal silang mag-isip.
Why not gonna have milk tea na lang? This one.
Milk tea. What kind of milk tea?
Boba milk tea, green milk tea, boba milk tea.
Saan? Ito. Okay. How about you, Marco?
Oh, hey, Mom.
Ice kanya ka? Ice. Not hot. But
Ice.
Milk tea.
Mom. Ice medium, Mom?
ice, ha?
This one? Oh my God.
Okay.
Not for
that's it.
myself. Alright.
Okay. What do you want? Small, large, or what?
Ice medium.
Ice medium. Did you touch already that one? Okay. Check out. To go. Skip. Okay. Where's my card? Card. Okay. Okay. Tapos ang order. Okay. Bye-bye.